Lesson 5. Creating a project plan. Use the Gantt chart in the Plans theme to kick off the creation of your project plan. You can create all project items directly from the Plans theme. This will enable you to plan your stages, items, and initial timescales quickly. You may prefer to start by creating the high-level information and come back later to enter the detail. To create your stages, click New, Project Stage. You can now enter the stage name and your planned dates. When creating any item in the Plans theme, an entry will also be created in that item's respective theme, so you don't have to duplicate information. For instance, the stage will also be shown in the Progress theme. Likewise, if you were to create a product in Plans, it would also be shown in the Quality theme. Creating your stages is one of the first things to consider, as a number of items belong to a stage, such as products, activities, and tasks. Once you have your stages in place, you can start adding the key items that belong in each stage. A handy tip is to right-click on an item. This will display the associated items that can be added. For example, when I right-click on a product, I have the option to create a quality review. If an item has sub-items, the parent is shown as a summary bar and is displayed in orange, whilst the child is shown underneath in blue. The blue sub-items bar can be moved on the Gantt if you need to change dates. If you want to change the dates of an orange summary bar, you will need to edit the item by right-clicking. You can also create dependencies between project items. Highlight the bubble at the end of an item bar with your cursor. Drag the bubble to the relevant item. The work on this item should not start until the item it is linked with is completed. Delete dependencies by right-clicking. To customize the view of the Gantt, you can select the View Resolution tab, or select the date to define the period you wish to display. Click View Resolution to commit a change. You can filter your Gantt chart to select individual project items you want to display. Click the Select All toggle and then select the particular items. For instance, I want to see only my benefits and benefit review plans. Items on the Gantt can be accessed by right-clicking to View or Edit. If you want to update the status of items, right-click Edit. To update the percentage complete quickly, you can also hover over the bar and drag the marker. The Gantt can be sorted by the column headers. To see the Gantt in chronological order, click Start, Sort Ascending. Select Resources to see how items have been assigned. Select Participant and a User to see items that involve them. Or select Active Participant and a User to see items they should currently be working on. This is great for your team, as they can use this to see their items on the Gantt.